The Great Seal of North Carolina and logo for the NC Department of Health and Human Services Division of Health Benefits displays along with a disclaimer. A woman sits at a coffee shop in front of a laptop.
Are you looking for a health plan or provider for you and your family? Well, you've come to the right place. You can find all the information you need by visiting the NC Medicaid Provider and Health Plan Lookup tool.
A screen with the Find a Primary Care Provider screen displays, and blue boxes highlight different options.
You don't need to log in. With a few clicks, you can search by the name of your preferred health plan, provider, or organization.
A woman sits at a coffee shop in front of a laptop.
Let's say you already have a provider in mind.
A screen displays with a green box highlighting the Search by a Provider option.
You can select Search by Provider for a plan.
A screen displays showing how to enter details in the search fields.
And enter details about the provider in the required search fields. Enter a location and one or more preferences, like wheelchair accessibility. Then click Search.
The health plan results are displayed with a blue box highlighting the health plan.
Now you will get detailed information about the health plans your provider works with.
A woman sits at a coffee shop in front of a laptop.
Don't have a provider in mind? No problem. The Lookup tool can help you with that too.
A screen displays with a green box highlighting Search by a plan.
Click Search by Plan for a provider.
A screen displays the different health plan choices in the drop-down.
Then, select a health plan, such as a standard plan for most families and children, or a tailored plan for people who need certain services for a serious mental illness, severe substance use disorder, intellectual developmental disability, or IDD, or traumatic brain injury, or TBI. Or choose the EBCI tribal option for federally recognized tribal members or people who qualify for services through Indian Health Service. Or the Children and Family Specialty Plan for children, youth, and young adults currently and formerly in foster care or receiving adoption assistance and served by Child Welfare Services. Or NC Medicaid Direct for people who cannot choose a health plan who need certain services or are in certain programs.
A screen displays how to enter additional information.
Then, enter a location and one or more search preferences, like providers accepting new patients. Then click Search.
A screen displays a list of provider results.
This will take you to a list of providers who work with the health plan of your choice.
A woman sits at a coffee shop in front of a laptop.
Looking to narrow your search?
A screen displays how to search for a specialty.
You can search by specialty for cardiology, dental, pediatrics, and more.
A woman sits at a coffee shop in front of a laptop.
Want to narrow your search even more?
A screen displays how to select more options.
You can select your preference for the provider's gender or spoken language.
The health plan results are displayed with a blue box highlighting the address and phone number.
Once you find a provider, the Lookup tool conveniently shows the provider's address and phone number.
A map is displayed.
With one more click, you can also get directions.
The health plan results are displayed.
If the provider offers primary care, you can enroll with that provider under your chosen health plan.
A woman sits at a coffee shop in front of a laptop.
To learn more, you can visit our frequently asked questions or about the data pages. You can also chat live with an enrollment specialist or call us at 1-833-870-5500. Visit us online at ncmedicaidplans.gov.
The Great Seal of North Carolina and logo for the NC Department of Health and Human Services Division of Health Benefits displays along with a disclaimer.